Welcome guys, just after a bit of advice on anybody who's in the know, I've rebuilt this X-Maxx servo, put metal gears in it with a power off. It doesn't free move. I don't actually know. Oh, he moved then, but he won't come back. It's a little. It never used to be that tight. I don't know whether I've got something wrong in there. I put the gears on, all it actually all works. So it's just power them up and show you. Everything works as it should. It's straining a little bit. I don't know whether I've got the potentiometer set wrong in there or what, but it just doesn't free move when the car's off at all. I'm just a bit worried that it's going to break something in there. If you guys could let me know in the comments, I'd be grateful. Thanks a lot.